Guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me TipsWithDav. And are you looking for a way to understand how to use My Leads and Secrets after you sign up? What do you do? How can you actually make a difference? Is it possible to make sales? Ooh, so many questions. All of these questions are going to be answered in this video, guys. I'm excited to make it for you guys, and you can follow along in this journey. I have two things happening at the moment. I am making a My Leads and Secrets review video because I wanted to, but I do have a series running, which is how do you actually get to $1,000 a day with $1,000 a month with affiliate marketing. That's going to be coming out. So feel free to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification for all the future videos that I will be posting, because I think the series is going to help everybody. It's a guide of how do you step by step get to that point, and it's also a documentation of what I am doing on a daily basis, and I use My Leads and Secrets. So I'm gonna hop on my screen and share a little bit more. Okay guys, so here I am on my screen, and first and foremost, before I go ahead, I do want to share that I do have a Facebook group, and if you want to join the Facebook group and just follow along, or maybe even get the affiliate marketing guide that I have there, which goes through step by step how you can actually get started with affiliate marketing, what are the phases, how long it takes. Guys, this channel I created, Tips with Dave, because I'm here to give you and share with you tips that help you pave the way for dreams to come true more than anything else. And these are actionable items that you can implement in order to see results. But if you're not implementing them and not taking actions, well, one thing I can guarantee you is getting absolutely no results. If you do, it takes time. It does take effort. It's not something that's going to make you rich overnight, but it's definitely consistent progress and for you to go along in that journey. So I'm documenting everything on this channel. I look forward to seeing you on it. So hit that subscribe button and the bell notification if this is something that you like to see, and I can give you the support if you enter my group. All you need to do is answer some questions and I will let you know everything there. Now, I do follow a specific formula. So I'm going to share my formula and then gonna get into My Leads and Secrets specifically. So my first step of affiliate marketing for me, guys, is this is what I did when I got started in March. And just to show you some results, I'm going to go to my Warrior Plus, and you can see in March I made $98 with this method, 219 in April, and then pretty much 200 this month. And if you just want to know about only My Leads and Secrets, how much I've made since March when I got started, so let's go to March. I'm going to click March to the 22nd of May. This is when I'm shooting the video. This video will be out later on. I'm not sure exactly when. I think if I'm not mistaken in June, but it doesn't matter. The point is what to get started, right? I'm going to put My Leads and Secrets here, which is MLGS. First and foremost, click go so that it takes that time frame, and then MLGS and search. And within this time frame, you'll see how much of sales I made and how much in commissions I made just using My Leads and Secrets as a traffic source. So the result is I made $400 since in March, that only with My Leads and Secrets as a traffic source. So it's something that's getting me consistent month-over-month sales, which is quite interesting to have. Month-over-month sales, every single month I'm getting sales with My Leads and Secrets. So first and foremost, My Leads and Secrets, guys, what is it? How does it help? What should you do if you just get started with it? My Leads and Secrets, in my opinion, solves two problems. One is that if you have a day job like myself, the main goal with affiliate marketing is traffic generation. And if you do not have the time to generate traffic through free sources, then you need to look at paid sources. Now, paid sources can be really expensive because you can look at Bing ads, Google ads, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, whatever ads you want to see, you can look at that, but it's going to cost you, and it's a skill set in itself. I don't have the time right now to focus only on that. So I needed to tap into something that was giving me an audience, was giving me those eyeballs. And My Leads and Secrets does just that. This is what they're guaranteeing you: 100 leads every day without a website, without paid traffic or anything else. They're giving you 100 leads every day. You pay for it $1 a day to get those 100 leads. The moment you get a person to join My Leads and Secrets, that's when it changes to 200 leads. Otherwise, you're just getting as a product. You pay $30 a month and you get 100 leads. In the first month, you have to pay $30 for a one-time setup fee. And then after that is $30. That's the cost. That's all the cost. So I basically run my entire business at the moment spending just $30 a month on a traffic source. That is it. That is what first and foremost it does, because you do not have to focus on looking for the traffic. You're getting the traffic. And second thing is that it's giving you an opportunity to practice email marketing, which is a skill set that all affiliate marketers or all marketers need in general, because email marketing is the king of everything that we do. Always collecting an email address is an asset. And when you use email marketing, if you don't know how to email market, then it can just be spam. So using a platform like this teaches you, allows you to make the mistakes, everything else along the way. So when you do decide to click that button below and you join My Leads and Secrets, I do not use this, and I'm making this very clear. I do not use this as an income source. I use this as a traffic source. Let me repeat that again. I use this as a traffic source. I do not use this as an income source. It is becoming one, but I'm not using it primarily as an income source. What do you do when you get started? When you signed up, you got your $60. What do you do? First and foremost, you will have 100 leads already in your offer, so already in your lead section. So let me just do a few things. Let me go to home here so that you guys can see. When you join, this is going to be your back office. Once you pay and everything else, please do set up everything in your account, your profile. So set up all your details, make sure that you have everything there, your withdrawal address in case you make any commissions and so on and so forth. But make sure you have that. And then right here, you have a quick start video and the support section. This is going to be your best friend. Now, after you do get signed up and you do have it in your back office, you will already have your leads loaded here in My Leads. So just to show you, on the 6th is when I signed up and I immediately got 100 leads. Now these 100 leads, you can immediately send an email if you want. And I would suggest to do so because every 24 hours you can send a new email. So the next day you can send a new email. The next day at the same time that you send the email. So you come back every 24 hours and send an email. So if you're getting signed up at 2 in the night, maybe don't send an email right away. I didn't send an email right away. I waited till the 7th, and the 7th is the first day that I sent an email. Just to show you, join on the 6th, and if I go to statistics and I go to the first page, you will see that I sent an email on the 7th. So that was my first date, and I sent it to 200, and then 300, 400, 500, 600, so on and so forth. You can select those leads and keep building up. So over time, you're sending it to more and more people, basically until it hits the threshold of 9,000. So what do? You basically go to mailing system right here. You will select the 100 leads that are there. You just click on select all. Then you make sure that your send form is here. It has your name. You will not have any saved emails because you haven't written any. So you just write a subject right here, and then you start to write an email. Now, I personally have a strategy when it comes to how to write an email, what to do. I'm more of a storyteller, even with My Leads and Secrets. It's working for me. It's converting for me. I'm making sales pretty much every single week. You can even check out in the group, and let me just show you for some proof in the My Leads and Secrets success group. You can see if I just go to my name right here and say search and just search myself, you will see in a second. Yeah, you will see right here. This is 2 days ago that I posted this. This is before that, but these results are pretty much on a weekly basis. I'm showing exactly that I'm making sales, I'm making commissions, whether it's $20 in commissions, whether it's $50 in commissions, but it's usually around $20 to $30 in commissions each sale I make. It's just how it's averaging out, which is quite good, right, to have. So I've been making consistent sales. This is ever since the beginning. You can see on the 22nd or 23rd of 21st of March, I shared my results. 23rd of March, I shared and again my results. And since then, basically every week I'm posting there. So it is definitely trackable within the group itself. So that's how I'm using My Leads and Secrets. So I come here, I write an email, I send out an email, and I just focus when you're sending out an email, guys. I just focus on doing this, and let me show you. Okay, let me just go to a random page and open an email so that you can see. So let's open this. You can see that I've written an email here, and I just have one link. Same link is here, but just one link. Do not complicate it. I'm trying different things and everything else, and the ones that work the best for me are the ones that just have one email link in it. So let me give you an example. The first sale I made was on the 22nd of March, right? So let me go to the 22nd, the email on the 22nd, or even the 21st of March. Let's say that I got a sale from this email, right? This is the email that I wrote, and I have just one, I literally just have one link here. That's all. So I'm concentrating the person, storytelling, and making sure that they click on the link. That is it. This is the method of how you can actually get results. What to do when you get started with My Leads and Secrets: send out an email. It's solving a problem. Start sending out emails and be consistent. It took me 16 days to make my first sale, but it could take you 10 days. It could take you 5 days. It could take you 2 days. I don't know how long it will take you. It will be different for each and every person. It might take you months. if you're writing your emails in a bad way. So make sure you're telling a story, redirecting them to the offer. As I said, this is the exact process that I follow. My lead gen secrets to an offer, and I make a sale. That's what you're going to get to do with my lead gen secrets. Now, this method, guys, doesn't mean that you're going to be rich overnight or something like that. It is getting you consistent income. It's getting me between $200 to $500 per month just following this method. That is the range that I personally have. I haven't made high ticket sales or anything like that with my lead gen secrets, but this is the range that it's working for me. So $200 to $500 per month. Every week I'm making sales. It's quite a joy to have this element in place. So this is the formula that I follow. I'm sharing it very openly and transparently on my channel. As I said, tomorrow I will be doing the next series or next part of the how to make $1,000 a month with affiliate marketing series, where I show you how to set up a funnel and how to set up everything for free traffic or paid traffic. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to see you on the next one, and take care of yourself and keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.